Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medications for nursing school. First, organize drugs by classification, like beta blockers or antibiotics, to see patterns. Then, for each drug, identify its mechanism of action and the main reasons it's prescribed. Pay close attention to common side effects and any critical nursing assessments needed before or after administration. This structured approach helps build a strong foundation. When studying, always note both the generic and common trade names. Understand typical dosages and the various routes of administration, such as oral, intravenous, or subcutaneous. Crucially, learn the contraindications, when a drug should absolutely not be given, and be aware of significant drug-to-drug interactions. This detailed knowledge prevents errors and ensures patient safety. To make studying stick, try creating flashcards for each medication, focusing on its name, class, and a few key facts. Mnemonic devices can be incredibly helpful for remembering long lists of side effects or nursing interventions. Also, consistently practice dosage calculations. This is a critical skill that requires repetition. Consider forming a study group to discuss challenging drugs and share insights. Regularly review your notes and use a reliable drug handbook to clarify any uncertainties. Many excellent online resources and pharmacology apps offer quizzes and case studies to test your knowledge. Remember, consistent review is key to retaining this vast amount of information. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other helpful deals. Good luck with your studies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.